A customer asked how to switch the HDMI and CVBS input video when the power is on our COFDM Modulator Demodulator module, Encoder Decoder with HDMI and CVBS AV input board. Now, I show you the operation on our product. The transmitter is connected to two cameras, one is HDMI. The other is AV. The HDMI is connecting to my computer. The computer plays movies with HDMI output. The AV is connected to this small camera. The transmitter is connecting to the serial port of my computer. Use this serial port utility on your computer. Now let us submit this command first. Query the current configuration of the transmitter. 0, 0. The first parameter is to represent the video. The second parameter is to represent the audio. 0 means default configuration. The default configuration now is HDMI first. So the receiver output monitor displays the HDMI video. Come back and look at the parameter documentation. 0. Let the system detect. 1. Force CVBS input. 2. Force HDMI input. Now it is HDMI. Let us try to switch CVBS input. Just set 1 as the parameter. Modify the first parameter to 1. The client seems to have made a mistake. The client maybe put this one parameter in the second parameter. In fact, the first parameter controls the video. The position of configuring this parameter cannot be wrong. Otherwise, the input switching of the two videos cannot be controlled. Now let's try to send a 1. After sending, the monitor displays black to indicate success. Look at that receiver video output monitor. At this time, the decoder board starts to switch. The receiver detects that the input to the transmitter has switched. Then it also resets and re-decode. Now become the AV camera video. If you want to switch the HDMI screen, you need to change the parameter from 1 to 2. It takes seconds for it to switch. But it doesn't need to raise power. Now the switch is successful. If we switch AV again, it needs to send the transmitter first to respond. Then the receiver detects it and then switches, so it is slower. Therefore, it does not need to be powered on again for video switching. It supports dynamic switching. Just switching time needs seconds. The customer's problem may be that his parameters are wrong. He should control first parameter instead of controlling the second parameter. Please tell us if you have any questions.